Hello and welcome to the AI Career Trivia Challenge. Test your knowledge about the hottest jobs in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's begin. Question 1. Which AI career focuses on building and guiding smart AI models? A. AI engineer. B. AI health tech. C. Automation consultant. D. Data ethicist. The correct answer is A. AI engineer. AI engineers are responsible for designing, building, and deploying AI models, making them a crucial part of the AI revolution. Fun fact, the demand for AI engineers has grown by over 300% in the last 3 years. Question 2. Which role ensures AI systems are fair and transparent? A. Data ethicist. B. AI engineer. C. Automation consultant. D. AI producer. The correct answer is A. Data ethicist. Data ethicists play a vital role in ensuring AI systems are unbiased, fair, and transparent. They help build trust in AI. Did you know that many companies are now hiring data ethicists as a core part of their AI teams? Question 3. Which professional helps businesses implement AI tools? A. Automation consultant. B. Data ethicist. C. AI producer. D. AI health tech. The correct answer is A. Automation consultant. These experts guide businesses in adopting AI to streamline operations and boost productivity. Fun fact, businesses that implement AI automation see an average increase of 40% in efficiency. Question 4. Which career combines medicine and machine learning? A. AI health tech. B. Automation consultant. C. AI producer. D. AI engineer. The correct answer is A. AI health tech. These professionals are at the forefront of using AI to improve healthcare outcomes. Did you know that AI is now being used to detect diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately? Question 5. Which career uses AI to create films, music, and art? A. AI producer. B. Automation consultant. C. AI health tech. D. Data ethicist. The correct answer is A. AI producer. These creatives are revolutionizing the entertainment industry with AI-generated content. Fun fact, AI-generated music is now being used in commercials and even topping music charts. Thank you for participating in the AI Career Trivia. How did you score? Share your results in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting trivia challenges.